Good morning. Welcome to Grade 6 English class. Today it is spelling day. Before we start our lesson, it is encouraged that you have with you your reader's and writer's notebook, English notebook to take down notes, and your pen. Thank you. Today's objectives are the following: to learn about common suffixes and demonstrate an understanding of them. Second, define suffix through examples. I'd like to redirect your attention to your Reader's and Writer's Notebook, page 389. It says there, suffixes hyphen ARY, hyphen ERY, and hyphen ORY. What do we mean when we say suffixes? A suffix is a letter or group of letters added to the end of the word. Suffixes are commonly used to show the part of the speech of a word. For example, adding ion to the verb act gives us action, the noun form of the word. Before we define each word, read after me. Bakery, inventory, machinery, introductory, scenery, directory, nursery, advisory, vocabulary, pottery, voluntary, bribery, temporary, discovery, honorary, secondary, surgery, imaginary, satisfactory, and bravery. Let's try to define the first word, bakery. It is a place where bread and cakes are made or sold. Bakery. Second word is called scenery. It is the natural features of a landscape, or a setting. Scenery. Next word we have vocabulary. Next word we have vocabulary. Vocabulary means words in a language. Vocabulary. Next word we have temporary. It simply means short term or not permanent. Temporary. Our next word is called surgery. It's the treatment of injuries or disorders of the body. Say the word again. Surgery. Next word is inventory. Inventory means a complete list of items such as property goods in stock. Inventory. Next word is called directory. It's a book or website listing individuals or organizations alphabetically or thematically with details such as names and addresses. That's directory. Next word we have pottery. Pottery means they are ceramics. I remember the story Emperor Silent Army. The terracottas were made in the pottery. Discovery is our next word. Discovery means the process of finding or discovering something. Ne- Our next word is called imaginary. Imaginary means unreal or they're not related to reality. That's imaginary. Machinery is our next word. Machinery means equipment or instruments. That is machinery. Our next word is called nursery. Nursery means a place where young children are cared for. Inside the nursery, you will hear laughters of young children as well as their cries. That's nursery. Our next word is voluntary. Voluntary means freely chosen or unpaid. That's voluntary. Honorary is our next word. It simply means conferred as an honor. Honorary. Satisfactory is our next word. It means sufficient or acceptable. That's satisfactory. The next word means elementary, initial, or used to introduce. This word is introductory. Introductory. Advisory is our next word, meaning containing or giving advice. Advisory. Bribery is our next word, meaning corruption or the act of giving or taking bribe, both money or in kind. That's bribery. Our next word is secondary, of a second rank or importance. That is secondary. Our last word is bravery. It simply means courage. That's bravery. Before we answer the activities found on page 389, I'd like you to choose 5 words and write meaningful sentences. Write your sentences in your English copybook. You may pause this video while writing your sentences. Moreover, looking at page 389, there are 2 activities found on this page. First, writing a list word that matches the definition. And the second one is synonyms, writing the list word that means the same or almost the same as each word below. You may pause this video or slides while answering them. Likewise, you may also use the definitions from the slides presented. You have 5 minutes to answer this one. Before we end our discussion today on spelling, I'd like to remind everyone to log into your Pearson account. Various activities related to our lesson today were already uploaded. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Goodbye and thank you.